Alright, welcome back. Tonight we're going to be doing some overnight camping, cutting firewood, building fires, cooking campfire food, and having a great time. Man, look at this. Let's go ahead and get my bed made. This hill's a little treacherous right here. Let's see if I can make it down in one piece. Woo! I made it. All right, first things first, let's cut some firewood. All right, let me show you how to start a fire the way the Boy Scouts did not teach us. As a kid, I never understood why the Scout leaders never let us start a fire this way. Now that I'm older though, I understand why Scoutmasters didn't want to give a bunch of kids lighter fluid. So for dinner, I got some soup, some rice, and some butter. We're gonna mix all that together. It's pretty tasty. All right, we're gonna let that come to a boil. All right, we're gonna let that boil for 10 minutes. All right, now we're gonna add the soup. All right, now we're gonna add the butter. Ah, that's unfortunate. I dropped my butter. All right, there we have it. Soup and rice, minus the butter. That was good. This is one of my favorite meals to make. It's cheap, it's delicious, can't go wrong. All right, I'm headed to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. I slept all right. Oh, but my back's killing me. I'm getting old, guys. All right, I think it's time for some coffee. The good thing about instant coffee is you can mix in either hot and cold water. Doesn't taste very good though. All right, we gotta get breakfast going. Gotta gather some firewood. Look at this view, you guys. How can you beat that? All right, guys, so there's one thing I never bring with me on these camping trips, and that's wood. We're surrounded by wood up here, but you never want to cut down live trees. You want to look for the dead trees or fallen over trees. So Utah has these real strong windstorms. We call them microbursts. That wind just whips through the canyon, blowing trees over and knocking them down. Every time I come up here, there's more and more fallen trees. And I'm not one to buy something that's just laying on the ground and just needs to be chopped up. All right, so we'll let that burn down a little bit, get some nice coals going, and we'll get ready to cook. To be cooked? Yeah, I know how to use words. So this morning we're going to be making some campfire biscuits and gravy. Alright, well there you have it. Sausage gravy over biscuits. Campfire edition. Ah, that hit the spot. I think it's time to do some dishes. Alright, I guess it's time to pack up. I meant to burn that, but since I didn't, we're gonna pack it out. Don't leave garbage on your campsites. Alright guys, it's time to head home. Well guys, I made it back home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. We'll see you guys next time.